Supista project management system. This video tutorial is about templates in Supista PMS. Many organizations execute similar types of projects repeatedly, creating the same project structure, budgets, teams, and work breakdowns from scratch every time can be time consuming and lead to inconsistencies. With project templates and WBS templates in Supista PMS, you can standardize your project setup and create new projects in just a few clicks. Let us see how it works. From navigation menu, you need to go to Master Data Setup. There, you can see Project Template and WBS Template. First of all, let us go to Project Template. To create a new project template, you need to click on Create button. We need to start by enabling the Active button. Then, we enter a unique template code. Then, we enter a template name, description, estimated budget for your project. You can select the employed team. For example, if I want to allot this particular project template to customization team or sales team. Then you select your project manager. To create a project template, start by enabling Active button. Then we can enter the project template code, project template name, description if any. We can also enter estimated budget. Suppose I say 25,000. Then we can assign it to a particular team. Let's say I want to assign it to customization team, then I'll simply select it. We can also assign project manager to this particular template from all of the employees available. And then we will simply click on create. All of the project templates that you create will be shown here along with all of the details. Now, how do you use it? You go to the project section. For example, if I want to update this project testing, I'll click on it, go to the project template button, and from here I can select this project template. For now, since I have only one project template, I'm able to see only one. If I have more, all of those will be listed here. When I select this, I can simply update. And then when I go back here, you can see the information has been updated. Similarly, if you wish to create a new project and you wish to assign a project template to it, you can go to this button, click on this project template, fill all the relevant information, and then click on create. Similarly, we have a WBS template. You need to go to Master Data Setup again and click on WBS Template. You will click on create, much like how we did in project template. Here, since work breakdown structure or WBS belongs to a particular project, we have also the option to select a project template. Then you will just enter WBS name, select WBS type, if any, enter the description and create. As you can see, this has been created and listed. Similarly, just like how we did with project, if you want to assign WBS template to a WBS, you just go there, you click on create, and you can click on this WBS template button and select. It is the same for updating any WBS. You just go here, you click on select, and then you update it. Any of the templates that you create will be saved here in your master data setup, and you will be able to reuse it again for any of your future projects or WBS. Whenever a project is created using the associated project template, these predefined project templates or WBS templates and their structure, it can be reused, ensuring every project or WBS follows the same standardized execution process. These templates help organizations standardize project planning across teams instead of repeatedly creating the same project structure, budget, phases, etc. You can simply select an existing template and begin execution immediately. This reduces manual effort, improves consistency, minimizes configuration errors, and ensures every project follows your organization's established best practice. With templates in Supista PMS, creating new projects and WBS becomes faster, more consistent, and highly scalable. This is it for this video. Thank you very much.